Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best $100 minimum deposit Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. In Forex trading, the minimum deposit is the smallest amount a broker requires to open a live trading account. This amount can vary significantly across brokers, with some offering accounts as low as $1 to attract beginners, while others may require $100 or more to access certain account types or features. The minimum deposit affects initial capital and access to specific trading options, tools, and leverage levels. Lower minimum deposits generally suit beginners or those with limited funds, while higher deposits may be required for more professional or feature-rich accounts. Traders who are searching for some of the best $100 minimum deposit Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top $100 minimum deposit Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 in our list, we have BDSwiss. BDSwiss, a prominent financial services provider, offers a comprehensive range of investment opportunities to traders worldwide. With a strong global presence, BDSwiss is renowned for its user-friendly trading platforms and innovative tools, tailored to meet the diverse needs of both beginner and experienced traders. Offering access to a wide array of financial instruments, including Forex, commodities, stocks, and cryptocurrencies, BDSwiss empowers individuals to engage in the dynamic world of online trading with confidence. BDSwiss provides traders with cutting-edge trading platforms designed to enhance their trading experience. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the BDSwiss mobile application and web trader. With a focus on usability and functionality, BDSwiss offers a range of platforms tailored to suit the needs of different traders. And with a commitment to providing superior trading experiences, BDSwiss's platforms empower traders to execute their strategies efficiently and stay ahead of market trends. BDSwiss offers a range of carefully curated trading account types to suit the varied needs and preferences of traders. Their accounts include Cent, Classic, VIP, and Zero Spread accounts, along with demo and Islamic account options. Each account type is designed to provide a tailored trading experience, empowering traders to choose the option that best aligns with their goals and trading style. With BDSwiss's diverse range of account types, traders can embark on their trading journey with confidence and peace of mind. The broker is committed to empowering traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the financial markets. Through its comprehensive educational resources, BDSwiss provides traders with access to a wealth of learning materials designed to enhance their trading proficiency. From beginner-friendly tutorials and webinars to advanced trading strategies and market analysis, BDSwiss offers a range of educational content suitable for traders of all levels. Additionally, BDSwiss's dedicated team of experts regularly host live events and seminars, providing traders with valuable insights and practical tips for navigating the complexities of the financial markets. Overall, BDSwiss stands as a leading financial services provider, offering a comprehensive suite of trading solutions designed to meet the diverse needs of traders worldwide. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps into trading or an experienced investor seeking advanced tools and insights, BDSwiss provides the resources and support needed to thrive in today's dynamic trading environment. At number 4 on our list is FPMarkets. FPMarkets is a leading online trading provider, offering access to a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex, CFDs, and commodities. With a commitment to transparency, innovation, and client satisfaction, FPMarkets provides traders with cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Established in 2005, FPMarkets has grown into a globally recognized brand, serving clients in over 150 countries. Through its user-friendly platforms and comprehensive educational resources, FPMarkets empowers traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence. FPMarkets offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, CTrader, TradingView, and the FPMarkets mobile trading application, with advanced trading tools and copy trading functionality. FPMarkets offers a range of account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the standard and raw trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. Regardless of the account type chosen, FPMarkets is committed to providing traders with superior execution, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. The broker also offers a robust suite of educational resources tailored to empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets confidently. Their educational hub, accessible through their website, features a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars covering various topics such as strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. Whether traders are novices seeking foundational knowledge or seasoned professionals looking to refine their strategies, their educational resources are designed to support continuous learning and growth in the trading journey. Overall, FPMarkets stands as a trusted and innovative online trading provider, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to empower traders worldwide. With a commitment to transparency, excellence, and client satisfaction, FPMarkets provides access to cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Whether you are new to the world of online trading or a seasoned professional, the broker's user-friendly platforms, extensive product range, and educational resources ensures that traders have the tools and support needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. Coming in at number 3, we have Admirals. Admirals is a prominent Forex broker, and when it comes to navigating the world of online trading, they are your go-to source of expertise. Regulated by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, Admirals ensures a secure and trustworthy trading environment for its clients. With a wide array of financial instruments, traders can rely on Admirals for access to global markets and comprehensive trading tools. Their commitment to education and customer support makes Admirals an ideal choice for both novice and experienced traders looking to capitalize on the foreign exchange market. Admirals offers a diverse range of market instruments to empower traders and investors. From Forex currency pairs and commodities, such as gold and oil, to a wide selection of stocks and indices, Admirals provides access to a comprehensive array of financial instruments, ensuring a secure and trusted trading environment. Their welcome bonus is a fantastic opportunity for new traders to kickstart their trading journey with added financial support. Upon joining the Admirals community, new users can benefit from an exclusive welcome bonus designed to enhance their trading experience, and this bonus serves as an additional capital injection, providing traders with extra funds to explore the financial markets and execute trades. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Admirals offers a diverse range of trading accounts, catered to the unique needs of traders at every level of experience. These accounts include the Trade 0 and Trade MetaTrader accounts. They also provide demo and Islamic account options. Each of these accounts are thoughtfully designed to provide flexibility, choice, and the tools necessary to meet individual trading objectives. Admirals offers a rich and diverse collection of educational resources to empower traders at all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner looking to take your first steps in the world of trading, or an experienced investor seeking to refine your strategies, Admirals has got you covered. For beginners, the platform provides comprehensive guides, articles, and video tutorials to build a solid foundation. For those with more experience, Admirals offers advanced educational materials, technical analysis webinars, and in-depth market insights. These resources help seasoned traders refine their skills and stay updated on the latest market trends and strategies. At number 2 on our list is Forex.com. Forex.com, a prominent online forex trading platform, offers a wide array of tools and resources tailored to suit traders of all levels of experience. With a user-friendly interface and advanced trading technology, Forex.com provides access to a diverse range of currency pairs and competitive pricing. Whether users are seeking to diversify their investment portfolio or engage in speculative trading, Forex.com remains a trusted destination for navigating the dynamic world of forex trading. Forex.com offers a comprehensive range of market instruments designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from major, minor, and exotic forex currency pairs to indices, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, as well as gold and silver. Forex.com provides access to a wide spectrum of trading opportunities. Traders can capitalize on global market movements with precision and flexibility, utilizing advanced trading tools and resources available on the platform. With competitive pricing and reliable execution, Forex.com ensures that traders have the tools they need to navigate the financial markets effectively. Forex.com offers a selection of advanced trading platforms designed to meet the diverse needs of traders, providing seamless access to global financial markets. Their platforms include the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, the Forex.com proprietary web and mobile platforms, as well as the TradingView trading platform. With a variety of trading platforms to choose from, Forex.com caters to traders of all levels of expertise and preferences. Forex.com offers a variety of trading account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders, ensuring a personalized trading experience. These account types include the standard, MetaTrader, and raw trading accounts, along with demo and Islamic account options. The broker provides options to suit every trading style. With a range of account options and features, Forex.com empowers traders to tailor their trading experience to their specific preferences and goals. Forex.com offers a wealth of educational resources designed to empower traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the financial markets. From comprehensive educational articles and tutorials covering fundamental concepts to advanced trading strategies, Forex.com provides valuable insights for traders of all levels. Additionally, the platform offers live webinars and seminars conducted by industry experts, offering real-time market analysis and trading insights. Traders can also access a wide range of trading tools and resources, including market analysis, economic calendars, and trading calculators, to enhance their trading decisions. Overall, Forex.com stands as a premier destination for traders seeking access to the dynamic world of forex trading. With its comprehensive range of market instruments, diverse selection of trading account types, advanced trading platforms, and wealth of educational resources, Forex.com is dedicated to empowering traders of all levels to achieve their financial goals. Whether traders are looking to diversify their investment portfolios, engage in speculative trading, or enhance their trading skills, Forex.com remains a trusted partner in navigating the global financial markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best $100 minimum deposit Forex brokers, we have City Index. City Index is an award-winning Forex broker that is authorized and regulated in the United Kingdom. and is a subsidiary of StoneX Financial Limited and Gain Capital Holdings Incorporated. They are listed on NASDAQ, and they currently have more than 35 years of industry experience with nearly 300,000 clients from all around the world. City Index offers competitive spreads on all their account types, and there are more than 12,000 indices, shares, Forex pairs, metals, bonds, options and commodities that you can trade on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. In addition to providing updated, in-depth market news with plenty of articles on trending market topics and a variety of educational resources, you will also be able to use a wide range of trading tools, and they offer professional and premium accounts for traders who are ready to take their portfolios to the next level. City Index offers only one type of live trading account, but there are two types of demo accounts you can open and a VIP professional account. The standard account is suitable for all types of traders, including beginners. The minimum deposit required to activate this account is £100. However, your account can be funded using a variety of currencies, including the US dollar and euros. If you are an experienced trader and you are looking for a more personalized experience, with more advanced trading tools and more flexible trading conditions, then we would recommend applying for a professional account. As a City Index client, you will be able to connect your account to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform and the City Index proprietary trading application. Their mobile application is designed to be beginner-friendly, with all the tools and advanced features that more experienced traders need to take their trading to the next level. It comes with intuitive, configurable charting tools, real-time price alerts, and over 80 technical indicators. This app can also be used on desktops, and you can use it as a demo account first to test out the tools and features offered. With City Index, account holders who want to engage in copy trading can do so through the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. MetaTrader 4 supports traders looking to run their own algorithmic programs, and it is also possible to install the third-party software, Expert Advisors, which allows City Index clients to apply the trading signals of others onto their own account. If you are new to trading, then we would recommend opening an account with City Index, because you can open multiple demo accounts, and you will be able to use your demo account for up to 7 weeks. Once you've opened a demo account, you can visit the training section on the website to access a variety of detailed introductory courses, guides on trading strategies, and high-quality courses that are designed for beginners and professional traders, respectively. There are many advantages to trading with City Index, but what we like most about them is that they are regulated by multiple top-tier agencies across several jurisdictions, and they offer thousands of tradable instruments with accounts that are suitable for absolute beginners and high-net-worth professionals. City Index has been awarded for having one of the best platforms for active traders, and their professional account could be a great competitive advantage in the markets. And those are some of the top 5 best $100 minimum deposit Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.